Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I will unbox Redmi Note 6 Pro. I buy it on Flipkart 12,999 only. I ordered it 3 days ago and Flipkart deliver me. It's very fast. Okay, so I first cut the packet. It's actually 4 GB RAM and 64 internal, and its color is blue. Just wait, I cut the packet. Okay, I cut the packet. Here we can see the bill paper and its price 12,999. Actually buy it on Flipkart sale. Here the packet. I just open the bar and Redmi Note 6 Pro by Xiaomi. It is full seal packed, and in back side its camera, dual camera, 6.26 display, 4 GB 64 GB internal, blue color, and made in India. Okay friends, so I cut the seal and let's see what we can find in the box. First we can see the smartphone Redmi Note 6 Pro, and it's a sticker. It's a color deep blue. So I put it on side and let's see. Okay, here is some specification, and here is the free case cover, same ejector tool, and some paperwork like warranty card, user manual, and here some, and here is the silicone gel cover. So I can use it in normally case cover. Its front camera 20 megapixel and back camera 12 and 5. Here it is the charger. I think it is a quick charge, and USB cable. It is a USB cable, and you can also use on PC for file transfer. And I think that can don't have any headphone. The front camera two types, 220 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and back camera 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel, 6.26 display, Snapdragon 626 Snapdragon processor, octa-core 1.8. So I charge it fast, and you can see the no any system update, and it's already system update 10.2 global. And friends, sorry for my bad language. I try my best. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks again.